Thank you, spokesperson. A question for Anadolu Agency. Pakistan's Foreign Minister Ishaq Dar raised the possibility of hosting talks between US and Iran to end the ongoing conflict in the Middle East. After a meeting of top diplomats from Pakistan, Turkey, Egypt and Saudi Arabia in Islamabad on the weekend. He said both Washington and Tehran expressed their confidence in Pakistan to facilitate the talks. What is China's position about this possibility of negotiations between the conflicting parties in the Middle East? Thank you.
中东的谈判有什么样的评论？
China supports all efforts conducive to de-escalation and resumption of dialogue and calls on relevant parties to start peace talks as soon as possible. We commend Pakistan for its efforts for de-escalating the tension. We support it to continue act in a mediator and stand ready to work with Pakistan and other parties to strengthen communication and coordination to jointly work for an end of hostility and safeguarding regional peace and stability.